Hello, I am Sagar and I welcome you all to our channel Sagar on Wheels. Today we are at our riding gear store Biker Katta in Kolhapur and we'll be talking about Rynox newly launched riding jacket. So there was a lot of talk about the jacket. We had seen a lot of trailers and there was a lot of anticipation about this product. So we have here with us the Rynox Outlander Pro CE double A rated riding jacket. As you can see, this is a beauty, and especially in this black and brown color, which and all these panels, they look like kind of a mix of a modern and retro jacket. So we'll talk about each and every feature of the jacket. First we'll wear this jacket and show how it looks from all the angles. This is a L size jacket. I am 5 feet 10 inches and my weight is 78 kgs, so L size jacket fits perfectly for me, and flexibility is also quite decent. This is one of the few CE double A rated jackets in our market. A lot of jackets have all the armors level 2, but a few jackets are rated for their outer shell. So you get triple A, double A, A, B, C, and so on rating for the outer jacket. And what this means is it is a level of abrasion resistance. When you fall, the armors protect you from the impact, but how far you slide. The main purpose of the outer shell is to prevent you, protect you from abrasion, so that the road or whatever surface you are rubbing against doesn't reach your body and doesn't cause you bruises. So CAA is definitely a very high rating and considered a very high standard in riding jackets. So this jacket not only looks good, but it also protects you very well. So this jacket has some strategically placed air vents over here in the front, and at the back this whole panel is this everything is boomerang mesh, so you'll get a pretty good airflow over here. And also these panels, they are perforated, so air will pass through them as well. And these are all polyester. Although they look like leather, they're polyester, so you do not have to worry about using this jacket in monsoon and some fake leather peeling off from the jacket. So you can be rest assured that something like that won't happen with this jacket. There are a lot of reflective strips on this jacket as well. You get over here, then on the shoulder, and the ones from the front continue over at the back. Now talking about the pockets, you have two pockets and one large pocket at the back of the jacket, and all these zippers have nice strings to them so that you can use them even with your gloves. The jacket also has these kind of mole loop things over here, so in case you have some kind of small pouch, like a first aid kit or maybe a phone holder, you can fix them over here. Although we do not recommend you to do put something over here, as that can compromise the safety of your jacket. All the armors in this jacket come from CERROS, so these all armors are level 2, and the chest ones are CERROS Oxtec. They are very well like perforated, so you will get good ventilation at the chest. The jacket also has a compartment inside for your hydra pack and an outlet over here, so you can also put your hydration bladder in the jacket itself, and you do not need to wear any additional kind of hydra bag for it. Another tidy feature on this jacket is that you can wear the Rynox lumbar belt inside this one. So there is a pocket inside which helps you put the lumbar belt for your waist support, and that goes from behind the back armor and then comes to your front of the stomach. So the back armor also sits flat on your back and it helps support your spine on longer rides. The price of this jacket is 12,950, and honestly, for the price, you get a lot of features on this jacket, a lot of quality materials, and I would definitely recommend this for people who like to go on touring and on adventure rides. This jacket is only available from small to 2XL, and it's currently available at our riding gear store Biker Katta in Kolhapur. So if you want to try out this one, do definitely come to our store and check it out. If you found this video useful, do hit the like button, comment if you have any questions about this jacket, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.